You are listening to HeartTalk with Maryam, a calm space for women who give too much, feel so much, and just need a moment to breathe again. Here we talk about healing, balance, and becoming whole, one honest conversation at a time. She used to be a fool of life. Who is that? Let's find out. She would dance while cooking, sings, laugh, the kind that fills a room. But somewhere along the line, she stopped dancing, she stopped singing, she stopped being happy. She started giving her life, her energy, her peace, until she has nothing left for herself. She is the kind of woman who carries everyone, family, friend, work, children, yet no one carries her. When she is tired, she keeps going. When she is hurting, she hides it. People call her strong, but only she knows how many times, how many nights she cried quietly so no one will see or hear her. And you know the saddest part? She is so used to being strong that she doesn't even know how to ask for help anymore. One day, she sat alone. Everyone has gone to bed. The house was quiet. And for the first time in a long time, she realized she didn't even know who she was anymore. Not the dreams, not the laughter, not the peace, just emptiness. And she whispered, "When did I disappear?" That's when the truth hits her. She has forgotten herself while trying to be everything to everyone. Maybe that woman is you. So listen carefully. You don't have to keep pretending to be okay. It's not weakness to rest. It's not selfishness to say no. You have been strong for so long. It's okay to be soft. It's okay to breathe. It's okay to need. It's okay to choose yourself again and again and again. Because strength isn't how much you carry. It's how well you care for the one carrying it, which is you. The world doesn't fall apart when you pause. The people who love won't stop loving you when you rest. You have spent years making sure everyone else was okay. Now it's your turn. Sit down. Sit down and breathe. Feel your heart beat. That's proof you are still here, even if you have gone for a while. You don't need to rebuild your life overnight. Just start remembering who you are. One small moment at a time. Eat something warm. Sit in the sun if you feel like. Write your thoughts down again. Do something that reminds you of you, because you are not just what you do, you are what you deserve to receive as well. Thank you for listening to HeartTalk with Maryam. If this episode touched you and your heart feels heavy with unspoken things, my Heart's Clarity section is open. It's a private space to talk, cry if you need to, and start remembering yourself again. I'm Maryam, and this has been the Balanced Woman Show.